Dear Cheri, does weed lose potency after grinding? My friend says this is the case, but I find that hard to believe. What do you say? Thank you. Okay, well, the short answer to that question is no. Before I get to the longer answer, though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And also, please do me a huge favor. If you get value out of my videos, hit that like button too because it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Okay, does weed lose potency after grinding? No, it does not. It's still the same substance, exact same substance, so it doesn't matter if it's ground or not ground. It doesn't lose potency. I mean, I guess if you really wanted to be argumentative about this, you could say that some of the kief falls off in the process of grinding, but I'm going to assume that you're smart enough to use that kief along with the flower, so no change in potency from grinding. That said, I generally don't grind my cannabis until I am ready to use it, whether that be for smoking or vaping or for making edibles. One thing I do want to say that you don't want to do in advance, though, is decarb a bunch of your weed in advance. And if you don't know what decarboxylation is, there'll be a link to it below. It has to do with activating your cannabis, especially when making edibles. So in general, decarbing does increase potency, but if you decarb a whole bunch of weed and you just let it sit in its decarb state for a long time, for months or a year or more, that will degrade the potency over time a little bit. Ardent Cannabis did some lab tests on that, and that's what they found. I'll try to find those and put a link to them in the comments below too. So when it comes to decarbing, don't do that in advance. When it comes to grinding, I guess it's optional. You could grind in advance, but I generally like to grind right before I use it. But it doesn't decrease potency. That's the bottom line. See you all next time. Hope this helps.